Solution of linear equation. We have done this question before in our last class, but in this class we will do some little complicated questions and or you can say the advanced question related to the same topic. So for the solution of the equation we must find the value of the variable. So the variable is here, the x is the variable here, and we have to find the value of x. So in question number 1 we just write 1 upon 3 x here and shift the value of plus 3 from right to left. So first we will remove plus 3 from this side and then 1 upon 3 so that we can find the value of x. So 4 is remain same here. When 3 move from left to right it become minus 3, it is plus 3 here. When it move it become minus 3 and it become 1 upon 3x or x upon 3, and the 4 minus 3 become 1. So it can also be written as x upon 3. Whenever x is in between the fraction, it is multiplied with 1 or the numerator. So it is x upon 3 is equal to 1 and we have to find the value of x. So 3 is in denominator at the right side. When you shift left side and when you shift to the right side it goes to the numerator. So we can write x is equal to 1 multiplied by 3, it goes here. So the ultimate value of x become 3 ones are 3. So the answer is plus 3, x is equal to plus 3. Now move to the question number 2. It is a little bit similar question, so I am going to do it for you. Here we have to find the value of y, and the attached value of the y is the coefficient and it is minus 2 upon 5. So we may shift 15 the constant term from left to right side. So minus 2 upon 5 is remain same here and 11 and it become minus 15 because 15 is plus here, no sign mean plus. So when it move from left to right this sign is changed. So it become 11 minus 15. No, it become minus 2y can be written as 2y upon 5, the same numerator and denominator, and the 11 minus 15 become minus 4. It is like this, minus 15 and plus 11. So 5 minus 1 is 4 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So 4 is remain when 11 minus 15 we do. So we have to get rid of first denominator. So it become minus 2y is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 with the 4. So it become minus 2y is equal to minus 25 for the 20. Here it is minus and it is minus only. One term is there, no more term. One term is right side and the one term is the left side, so we can cancel the minus sign. So it become now 2y is equal to 20, or we have to remove this 2. It is multiplying. When it moves to the right side of the cross sign of equal to, it goes to the denominator. Now we can divide with the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20. So the answer is become y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 is the answer of the equation given. Now the question number 3. There are two axis variable and it is scattered two places, the left side and the right side. We shift all the variable at one side. So we can write x plus 1 upon 3x is equal to 12. Minus 1 upon 3 goes from right to left. So whenever the position is changed from across the sign of equal to, we change the sign. We shift from right to left, so the sign change from minus to plus. Now it become x plus 1 multiplying with the x, so it become x upon 3 is equal to 12. Now there are two numbers are there and they are adding. One is fraction and one is whole number. So we just write 1 underneath of x. So that the both number come in the fraction. And now addition of fraction is quite easy. We just take the LCM 3 and the 1, the LCM become 3. Or for our convenience we can write 1 here as well. Because 3 1 are 3, so we do not need to write 1 here, but it is I have written here for your understanding, better understanding. So now when we take the LCM by multiplying two number here, we just multiply 3 by this number, the denominator of the second number, to the numerator of the first number. So 3 must be multiplied with the x, and the plus sign is here, and 1 multiplied by x is equal to 12 is remain same here. Now we have to open the bracket by multiplying the number outside the brackets. 3 multiplied by x become 3x, and the 1 multiplied by x become x. So it become, and the division, 3 1s are 3 is equal to 12 is same. 3 1s are 3 and 12. Now we first we add this number, so it become 3x and plus x, it become 4x upon 3 is equal to 12, and the 3 must move from left to right, so it is in denominator. When it goes to right, it multiply with the numerator. So it can be written as 4x is equal to 12 multiplied by 3, or we may write 4x is equal to 12 3 is a 36. So x can be written as 4 is multiplying, when it goes to the right, it comes in the denominator or for the division. So x can be written as 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36. You can cut directly. So x is equal to 9 is the solution of this question. Now question 4 is bit easy because the variable is at one place here. So we have to find the value of x. We just write x is equal to 2 move to the because the sign of equal to, so it is in denominator, it goes to the numerator. 4 multiplied by 2 and the 5 is remaining same. So it can be written as x is equal to 4 to the 8 upon 5. Since the numerator is less than the value of the numerator, so we have to give answer in fraction, mixed fraction. So when 8 divided by 5, it becomes 5 1s are 5, and 3 is the remainder. So it can be written as x is equal to 1 whole 3 upon the divisor is 5. So this is the answer. Now move to the question number 5. I leave question number 5 for your understanding, or let's see how much you can understood with this lecture. So try to solve this question yourself, and then I will solve it. So do it quickly. Question number 5, I leave it for you just for 2 minutes. Now we have to open the bracket by multiplying the number just before the bracket. So 3 multiplied by 5 become 15 plus plus plus, and the plus minus minus 3 multiplied by h become 3h, and the minus plus minus 2 multiplied by h is 2h, and the minus minus plus 2 to the 4 here is equal to minus 1 is the same. So minus 3h and the minus 2h, so 15 and the 4 become 19, minus 3h and minus 2 become minus 5h is equal to minus 1, or we may write minus 5h is equal to minus 1 and the minus 19, because 19 is sign is plus. When you move it to the right side, it change the sign. So minus 5h can be written as minus 5h is equal to minus 20. Minus 1 and minus 19, when we add them, it become minus 20. Just like we add 19 plus 1. Both are in plus, so answer is in plus. Once both are negative or the minus number, we just answer must be in minus. We add in minus, so it will become minus 20. Now there are two terms and I have the sign minus, both number have the minus sign, so we cancel it. So h can be written as 20 upon 5, or h is equal to 5 on the 5, 5 for the 20, so h can be written as 4. I am sure you all must have done it. If not, correct yourself. Now the question number 6, the same, and I am just giving you a time, just 1 minute, do it. Now 4 multiplied by 4, the outside the number, it multiply both sides inside the both number inside the bracket. So first we multiply 4 multiplied by 4 is 16, and the 4 multiplied by x becomes 4x, and the sign of plus remains same, plus 4 multiplied by x is 4x, and the minus multiplied by x become minus x, and the minus plus minus 1 as it is equal to 2. So 6 plus 16 and minus 1 become plus 15, and the plus 4x and the minus x become plus 3x is equal to 2. Or we may write 3x is equal to 2 minus 15, because we shift the number 15 from left to right, so we change the sign. Now 3x is equal to minus 13, and x become minus 13 upon 3. Now once again the denominator is less than the numerator, so we write in mixed fraction. So 13 when divided by 3, it becomes 3 4 are 12, and 1 is remaining. So x can be written as minus 4 whole 1 upon 3. So it is all about this question. Still you have any problem, you may write in comment, and I will try to reply you inshallah.